gotta fill up. Put some gas in this baby. Put some gas in this Ducati X Diablo, baby. Put in some gas in the Ducati X Diablo. No, I only put that V-Power, that Shell V-Power in this baby. That's all it took, guys. $8.15 to fill this bad boy up. That's why I like riding motorcycles. Alright guys, time to get out of here. Woo! That Ducati, baby. That Ducati. Woo! You can feel the power in this Ducati X Diablo, I'm telling you. What is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Thanks for riding with Jesse. That is my name, and today I'm gonna be riding downtown Sacramento. It's a beautiful day today, so I had to take the Ducati out, and I just want to ride through downtown and just see what's going on downtown. Just see what's going on with everything that's going on around the world. The city that I love, the city that I was born and raised in. I just want to ride through downtown to see what's going on. I hope everyone is staying safe during these hard times in America. I know it's very difficult times with everything that's going on, and I hope everyone is managing and getting through this one day at a time. So off to my right here, you can see all the windows boarded up with plywood, and they're actually doing boarding right now. Let me split these lanes, baby. It's one thing that's good about a motorcycle, you can split lanes. On a hot day like today, you don't want to be staying in traffic. You want to keep moving, get that airflow. But yeah, guys, a lot of these businesses, they're boarded up. I don't know if they're taking precaution or if they already busted the windows out. Love for Sacramento. You guys are not showing love for Sacramento, doing this, breaking into businesses like this. Where's the love at, guys? I hate these tracks, and bumpy tracks. Ah. The Sheraton Grand Hotel, it's all boarded up. Don't destroy, demonstrate. That's what they say on the plywood. Every day is your chance to make this city a little better. So almost every building so far off of J Street is boarded up. I hope they're just taking precautions and that the buildings have not been vandalized already. It's very unfortunate to see our city like this, especially during a pandemic. Just a tough squeeze, but I did it. We got something going on here. They're setting something up at PF Chang's. Looks like they're decorating the plywood that they're using to cover the windows, putting some kind of art on it. So guys, this is downtown Sacramento. As of right now, 12:23 p.m. on June 4th. There's no one actively protesting or looting that I can see. But you do see a lot of camera and news people. Lowbrow has pictures of Floyd in the windows. The old spaghetti factory is all boarded up. The Disability Rights of California is all boarded up. So guys, this is the first time I've been downtown in a while. I've been trying to stay inside because of the coronavirus, and then I've been trying to stay inside because of what's going on, all the protesting and rioting and looting that's going on downtown here in Sacramento, guys. It looks like all these other businesses are open, but they just got their windows boarded, and it looks like the business is closed. So very misleading for people that actually want to go out and support their local businesses during this tough time. Sacramento is under curfew. I believe it is 8 p.m. The last few days we had a curfew. And it's very unfortunate that we have to come to that. I never thought a pandemic like this would happen in my lifetime. Not just a pandemic, but I never thought I would see rioting and looting in my lifetime. I just didn't think I would see it. And it's not just happening here in Sacramento, guys. It's happening all over the world, all over the United States, in different countries. It's happening everywhere. This is Sacramento, the city that we love. Let's take care of it. I believe this is, it should be K Street. It looks like, I'm totally lost. Let me get off this freaking block before I get a ticket. I don't even think I'm supposed to be here. Downtown can get a little bit confusing at times, guys. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm gonna follow this car. Whew. All right, back on track, guys, back on the road. We had a CHP officer on foot patrol. This is the Capitol, guys, and check it out. We got Humvees, we got military personnel. The National Guard is here, guys. The National Guard is here. And that should just say it all, guys. If the military needs to be here to protect our city, enough is enough. Oh, this is a one-way. I don't even think I could turn this way. Let me go straight. I never thought I'll see the day where the National Guard comes to my city. Look at this dirt bike. Suzuki, baby. Many officers standing guard at the Capitol. All at different locations. Rev that shit, baby. Woo! That Ducati, baby. Love to see people out riding, especially on days like this. You know, riding for me, guys, it's a big stress reliever. That's why I decided to take out my bike and go for a ride today and show you guys what's going on around town. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. We have a bunch of businesses and buildings boarded up with plywood. We got the military here. We got the military with their Humvees standing guard on many different locations, and especially the Capitol. I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this video and coming along on a ride with me to see what's going on in the city that I love. Ducati. All right, guys, thanks for taking a ride with me. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I look forward to the next ride. Deuces. It is hot. I'm headed back home, baby. Get in that AC.